Hello friends, welcome back to our today's session. We are discussing on the topic of decision making statements in C language. Okay, so in last video we have seen that what is simple if statement, what is if else statement. So in today's session we are going to discuss on the topic of else if ladder statement. Okay, what is else if ladder statements and how it works in the program. Okay, in else if ladder we check multiple condition one by one. Okay, so let's see how to write a general syntax of else-if ladders. First, here we use if statement. In if statement, we check the condition. Let's suppose condition 1. Here we use statement 1. Okay. Then we use else statement. Okay. Then here again we use if statement. Here we check condition 2. Here statement 2. Again else statement space if. Here we check condition third. If condition third is true, then statement 3 is executed. And at the end, by default, else statement. Okay, default else statement. Okay, so if condition 1 is true, then this statement is executed. Okay, and remaining if else statements are skipped out. Okay, so if condition 1 is false, then control will pass to next if. Okay, if condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is executed and remaining statements of if block is skipped out. Okay, so if condition 2 is false, then cursor will move to next if condition. Okay, so likewise it will check one by one, and if any condition is true, then that block is executed. Okay, so if all conditions are false, then by default this else statement is executed. Okay, so friends, I hope you are getting the idea of this else if ladder structure. Okay, so चलिए अब इसका फ्लो चार्ट देखते हैं. So this is the entry point. Here we check condition 1. If this condition 1 is true, then statement 1 is executed. If this condition is false, then it will move to next if block, that is condition 2. Okay, so if condition 2 is true, then statement 2 is executed. Okay, so if this condition is false, second condition is false, then it will move to next if block. Okay, here condition 3. If this condition 3 is true, then statement 3 is executed. If this condition is false, then it will move to next. At the end, it will execute else statement. If all these conditions are false, then by default this else statement is executed. Okay, so friends, I hope कि आपको फ्लो चार्ट समझ में आया होगा. सो चलिए इसका प्रोग्राम देखते हैं. else if ladder प्रोग्राम में कैसे वर्क करता है. सो हम प्रोग्राम में यूजर से इनपुट लेंगे एक डिजिट. हम चेक करेंगे कि एंटर किया हुआ डिजिट अपर केस लेटर है, लोअर केस लेटर है या नंबर है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रोग्राम सो यू विल गेट मोर आइडिया अबाउट else if ladder structure.
Okay, so let's start with the program. Here we take any digit as input from user and we'll check entered digit is uppercase character, lowercase character or number. Okay, first we declare a character variable char ch. Okay, then we'll use printf statement, and in printf statement we'll print the message that is enter any digit. Okay, then we use scanf to take the input from user %c address of ch. Then we use if statement. In if statement we check the condition, that is enter digit is lowercase letter or not. Okay, if ch greater equal to small a and ch less than equal to z, means here we are checking lowercase letters. Okay, if this condition is true, then in printf statement will print the message that is enter digit is lowercase letter. Okay, so then we use else statement and space Again we are using second if. In this second if, we are checking the condition entered character is uppercase letter or not. Okay, so this is second if statement. Here we check uppercase letter a to z. Okay, if this condition is true, then it will print the message is that entered character is uppercase letter. Okay, so then we have again else statement, space, again if statement. We check again condition, that is entered character is digit or not. Okay, so this is if statement. Here we check 0 to 9 digit. Okay, means if enter a digit in between 0 to 9, then it will print message that is entered digit is number. Okay, so this is printf statement, and in printf statement we print the message that is entered digit is number. Okay, so this is our program. If I execute this program, so in output screen we'll see the message that is enter digit. Okay, so if I enter lowercase a, okay, the message is printed that is enter digit is lowercase letter. Okay, if I provide another input that is lowercase b, here again message printer is enter digit is lowercase letter. Okay, so if I provide capital D, then output is enter digit is uppercase letter. Means here condition of second if is true, so that's why it is printed as enter digit is uppercase letter. So if I provide any number as input, if I provide 3, then it will print enter digit is number. So that means condition of third if is true, so that's why it is printing enter digit is number. So friends, I hope you are getting how else if ladder is working in C programming. So that's it for today's lecture. We'll see something new in next video. Till that time, thank you, take care, bye bye.